All right, guys, I'm here with Chris from Buddiepole, and he's going to go through all of his system that he's got coming up. Chris, what are we working on?
Well, a couple things. I can show you our Buddy Stick Pro, which came out last September. It's been really popular. It's down here at the end. And what we've done different here, somebody ran off with my my bag that it comes in, portfolio bag. This all fits into a small bag, and we're pre-marking the wire, the radio wire for each of the bands. You can see these are color-coded in there. Hopefully you can see that.
Yep.
So we have a chart, and so you go out to the red mark there for the associated band, and you lock it off in the line winder, and then we elevate that radial above ground 2 to 3 feet on a bush or a tent or a electric fence post works great. There's the bag right there, and then we have the adjustable legs here, which are shock corded legs. They fit inside the bag, and this system is called our Buddy Stick Pro Deluxe, and it's going to come with a hook on the bottom. We anchor that down into a stake or a rock, something heavy, any heavy object, and that'll prevent it from tipping over. So that's been a very popular antenna for us, and I'll have those back in stock in a couple weeks, near the end of February. The other item that we're talking about and showing here at the show is our Hex Beam, which I'll pull over here.
Oh, no.
And
he's really so not just a little bit.
That's the Hex Beam when it's fully collapsed. So these elements lock into place. This is one of the lightest, if not the lightest, Hex Beam on the market at the moment. So we're 9.5 pounds, fully loaded with all 6 bands, 6 through 20, and that all of those come with the Hex Beam. It's going to be $5.99. We're still some weeks away from being able to offer that out to the general public. I'll show you here real quick some of the line winders that we developed, figure 8 line winders. These are the wires for the green and the blue for 20 and 17. All of this is color coded. So these wires just snap into place there very quickly, and you walk underneath it to set it up. The setup time is very quick on this, and that's what we designed it for. So we'll be running full power up to 1,500 watts, and we typically use that with our. It's designed for our Mast Work system here, and this is a rotatable tripod and mast system. And here I'm rotating the mast, and we have some guy kits that come with it as part of the package, and 2 different guy kits with split collars that pop off of the mast. This is typically the way that I travel with the Hex Beam here, and I've got the in this case, it's the 10-meter Mast Work system. It's our largest system. It goes up 10 meters, over 30 feet. This case is really nice because it's adjustable, and it slides down, and then a pin goes through it, locks it into the correct height. It's not oversized for travel purposes. I typically load it up to 50 pounds with coax or whatever else I can put in there, because the weight of the Hex Beam and the mast and tripod, we're in the mid-20s there with the case. So you've got quite a bit of extra room for additional weight, additional items. Like I said, the coax is a good one to put in there to get up to your 50 pounds if you're flying with it. It's got wheels on the bottom, so it makes it really easy pulling along through the airports and whatnot.
Nice. And you said it's not oversized?
It's not oversized when it's collapsed down. Yeah, 62 inches is the maximum length, and we're just below that even with the large system here. So
perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
Good deal.
So that's what's coming, and the Hex Beam I think will be available to the general public, and it'll be probably the end of March before we have those available. They'll sell for $5.99.
Okay. and then you've got the Buddiepole Deluxe long version here next to it.
Right, and that's something we've sold for a lot of years. It's $495 for that complete package, 50 feet of coax and the complete antenna system, 2 through 40 meters. It's a really versatile system. We can make a vertical out of it. We can change the arms to make a V or an L antenna or a lazy L I like to use quite a bit. And when you change those arm configurations, it really affects the radiation pattern and the takeoff angle. So we have a good report. Talks about how and when to use those different configurations when you're in the field.
Perfect. All right. Well, anything else you're working on that you want to let on? Or?
Not that I want to let on to. There's some neat accessories for the Mast Work system that'll be coming out. But I'm not ready to talk about those just yet. And yeah, some more electronics-based products, like our solar controllers, which are sold out today. So they all went real fast. That's a real popular product, and it does a lot more than just manage the current from the solar panel.
At that show price, you know, it was kind of hard to pass that one up.
Yeah.
So
you ended up with one, I know. So
yeah. Good deal. All right, Chris, thanks for your time.
Okay, thank you very much.